CogByte, where smart tools meet smart decisions. Tired of getting inconsistent marketing content from your AI? Stop searching for the perfect prompt. Meet Bina's blueprint based on Recipe, which guarantees consistent marketing content with a score of 90+. Hello, content creators and business owners. Do you feel like you're throwing prompts into the air and getting inconsistent marketing content? That's our biggest problem today. To solve it, we present Bina's blueprint. It's a framework that combines Recipe with the small, precise details that automatically push the output to a score of 90+. The beating heart is purpose or the business goal. This is the key to consistency. The secret is to connect every piece of content to a specific business goal. This turns AI from a desk tool into a sales tool. Instead of educate readers, with us, it's the precise business goal is to increase webinar registration rates by 20% by building trust in our expertise. Next is role and the filter effect. To avoid generic content, the role must be defined at the level of an expert who knows the audience. An example of a role is, you are a senior business consultant with 20 years of experience in streamlining processes for small businesses, with a friendly but authoritative tone. This is the filter effect that maintains your brand quality. Here is Bina's super prompt, the Recipe Bina edition. So you can implement this immediately. Here is our winning template now combined into one tool. Define your exact expert persona here. For example, a digital marketing manager with 10 years of experience in generating leads for small businesses. The tone must be friendly but authoritative. Examples: provide 2 to 3 examples of a paragraph, headline, or CTA that you like and that reflect your brand tone. Context: describe the situation. For example, we are now launching a new product to a cold lead audience that is unfamiliar with our brand. And the goal is to pique their curiosity and get them to sign up for a free webinar. Instructions: 1. Write 3 potential headlines for the post. 2. Write the main body of the post, about 300 words incorporating the 3 main points I will provide below. 3. Write 1 final CTA designed to get people to sign up for the webinar. Purpose or business goal: define the exact business goal. For example, increase the click-through rate on the CTA by 20% of our current average by creating content with immediate value. Explicit request: provide the data that needs to be processed. For example, complete the task according to the instructions using the following points. The advantage of AI Solution X, a short story about a customer who succeeded with it, and a suggestion for our next blog headline. This prompt turns Recipe into a business methodology. The purpose connects the writing directly to your KPI, and the role ensures brand consistency. Here are some tips from Bina for turning Recipe into a blueprint. Tip: define the role. Formulate the role to include familiarity with the audience and the exact tone. This is the most critical step for consistency. Tip: example match. Ensure that the examples you provide reflect the level of complexity you want the AI to achieve. Tip: request is a criterion. Make your explicit request the ranking criterion. If the AI does not fulfill all the request items, its score automatically drops. Tip: next post title. Always use the instructions phase to ask the AI to suggest a title for the next post. This always generates the next step for you. Tip: link to CTA. Make sure that the purpose phase guides the instructions phase to generate content that leads directly to the final CTA. Friends, Recipe is just the name. Bina's blueprint is the method by which we take this structure and produce marketing content with a high filter effect. One that protects your brand and creates consistency. Our challenge to you today: take our Recipe Bina Edition blueprint and apply it today to your most difficult marketing challenge. Subscribe to CogByte for more AI insights, and don't forget to like and comment. Thanks for watching another video from the CogByte channel.